Candlesticks are a very important tool for any trader, but it can be overwhelming to scan through all the charts and it can lead to miss some of the patterns. But what if I tell you now you can do all that automatically by using candlestick scanners within Strike? All you have to do is go to the Discover tab and head to Scanners. Make sure Candlestick Scanners is enabled. For that, you can click on Manage Scanners and select all the scanners you want. For this video, I have only enabled Candlestick Scanners. So within Candlestick Scanners, we have subdivided the patterns into bearish reversal, bearish continuation, and bullish reversal. So let's say I'm looking for bullish reversal patterns, that is patterns forming after a downtrend and indicating at a possible reversal. So the unique thing in Strike is that we also scan for the trend and then decide where the pattern belongs. So in this case, you can see if a stock is in a downtrend and then a bullish reversal pattern is forming, then it gets categorized into this category. So you can see patterns like bullish harami, bullish spinning top, a morning star, and even bullish doji star and piercing line. All sorts of patterns are getting captured here and it is getting highlighted on the chart also for ease of understanding. Now what you can do with this is choose your own basket. It can be your own watch list or even any index or even the FNO stocks, and you can scan the particular basket for all possible patterns. You can filter on market cap of stocks and you can see this scan on either hourly time frame or daily, weekly or monthly. Now when you are in daily, weekly or monthly, you can also choose the dates based on the time frame that you have selected to view the results for any previous candle. So let's say I go to weekly. Now these are the results based on the current candle, but if I want to see for previous week, I can go to the last date available in this drop down. Now the results that I'm seeing here is based on previous weekly candle. As you can see, this is a bullish spinning top highlighted here. Similarly, a hammer pattern is caught here. So go ahead to web.strike.money and use the candlestick scanners. You can use all the categories and let us know what you think about it. You may just be able to find a good trade setup. Thank you.